Today we're in Land of Legends, and this is the theme park in 5 minutes. In this video, we're just going to be focusing on the theme park itself. Next week we have our 5-minute video on the water park, or you can already check out our full day at Land of Legends video.
What do you think about that ride?
After a night in an all-inclusive hotel with lots of whiskey, don't do that first thing. Oh, family coaster. That's better.
Let's go.
This park is not built for people to have a hangover.
I don't think no park is built for people with hangover. Was that your favorite ride ever?
That was the best ever.
Do you want to do this?
God, no. I wasn't expecting to get wet. You know what's the fun part? Is that they can't get me back.
Run away! Up, down, loop you up. Up, down, loop you up.
Asha. Asha, I'm the bear.
Look at that.
That was the Land of Legends theme park in 5 minutes.
Next week, come back to discover the water park.
See you next week.